Term 3, Unit 2, People who help us. If you think about it, there are a lot of people around us that help us besides your mom and dad and other people in our family. People that we call community workers or our helpers. These are the people that look after and help the people of the community. Teacher, book. Teacher, Teacher, teacher. Book, Book, book. Teacher teaches you all types of things like reading, writing and other knowledge. Doctor, stethoscope. Doctor, Doctor, doctor. Stethoscope, Stethoscope, stethoscope. Doctor, if you're sick, you can go to the doctor. He or she will listen to your heart and do some tests to try to find out what is wrong with you and give medicine to get better. Shopkeeper, SHOP, shop. Keeper, KEEPER, shopkeeper. Things, THINGS, things. Shopkeeper. A shopkeeper is a retail merchant or tradesman, one who owns or operates a small store or shop. Postman, letters. Postman, POSTMAN, postman. Letters, LETTERS, letters. Postman. A postman is a man whose job is to collect and deliver letters and packages that are sent by post. Fisherman, FISHER, fisher, man, man, fisherman. Net, NET, net. Fisherman, someone who capture fish and other animals from a body of water by using net. Driver, DRIVER, driver. Van, VAN, van. Driver, a driver who controls operation and movement of a vehicle including cars, motorcycle, trucks, buses and bicycles. Firefighter, FIRE, firefighter, FIGHTER, firefighter. Hose, HOSE, hose. Firefighter. These people are very important if there is a fire at your house, school or other public places. They risk their own lives to make sure other people are safe. Engineer, ENGINEER, engineer. Helmet, HELMET, helmet. Engineer. An engineer is a person who uses scientific knowledge to design, construct and maintain engines and machines. Tailor, TAILOR, tailor. Cloth, CLOTH, cloth. Tailor, a person whose occupation is making fitted cloth such as suits, trousers and jackets to fit individual customers. Carpenter, CARPENTER, carpenter. Saw, SAW, saw. Carpenter, a person whose job is making and repairing wooden objects and structures. Policeman, POLICE, policeman. MAN, man, policeman. Baton, BATON, baton. Policeman, they make sure that the criminals are caught and we do not have to be afraid to ask help from them. Aeroplane, AEROPLANE, aeroplane. Pilot, 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 aeroplane. Pilot flies and navigate aeroplanes, helicopters and other types of aircrafts. Now children, we have learned about people who help us in various situations. Without their help, we can't live in this society. So, give respect and obey them. Thank you.